nation. Una welcome to a brand new ogbonge episode of our ogbonge show, One Question with Gigi, and na me be Gigi. Today on this show, we go talk about, as usual, another earthquaking matter. But before we enter the matter of today, I beg, make una not forget to subscribe, make una not forget to like, make una not forget to share, and make una not forget to follow. So today what we wan talk about na parenting we wan talk about na very big matter, but na small thing I wan talk about the matter because this matter if we chook mouth put our mouth fit no comot from inside. So wetin be parenting? Parenting na when e be say you get person wey dey under you wey dey look up to you. E fit be say na you born am from your belle, na you born am from your lions, na you adopt am anyhow so far say person dey wey dey look up to you. E mean say you don be parent, you don be mama, you don be papa. So first of all, if you be parent anywhere wey you dey, well done, you dey do well. God dey see your effort, God go reward you because you see all these children dem dey very ungrateful, all of them. No one dey grateful o until dem sef don grow, dem don become parents, na dem go dey grateful to you. So if you feel say your pikin too stubborn, na lie, e no stubborn, na im time to shine. Make you sef remember say you sef you stubborn the time wey you dey their age. So move on with your life o aunty, move on like that o. So the one thing wey I wan talk about this parenting matter be say most of us we don dey miss the point about parenting for this our side of the world because we feel say we don dey hear pipu dey say western culture, we wan carry western culture, we wan try to befriend our children. Yes, e dey very important to create that open space where e be say your children go fit talk to you, dem go fit open up to you, if anything dey wrong dem go fit talk to you. But we dey miss the point sometimes. Our children dem need their parents first before dem need friends. Dem go always get friends for outside, so that's why you as mama as papa you gats always be mama and always be papa. Make the right decisions for your children, no look say dem go dey sad because if your own parent don look say you go dey sad when dem dey make decisions, you sef for no dey where you dey today. Make dem dey sad but make dem dey okay. No dey mistake friendship and parenting. Those two things dem no be the same thing, and you fit try, yes, you fit try to make friend with your children, e dey okay, but the important thing be say just create that space make dem know say dem go fit talk to you at any time, but at the same time dem gats know say you be parent, you be mama, you be papa. No come give dem the leg of say oh we be friends so dem go even dey do something wrong, fear no go let you correct dem because you feel say you no want make dem dey angry. Dem be children. Even bible talk am say train up pikin the way wey you want make pikin grow, and when e go come grow e no go comot from inside that thing wey you don teach am. You fit feel say dem no dey hear the thing wey you dey talk now o, you fit feel say dem no dey understand wetin you dey talk or dem be bad children now. Dey just be children. Dem go always wan behave the way wey their age mate dey behave, no be bad thing. E no mean say your pikin don spoil, e no mean say your pikin don rot ten, e no mean say your pikin na damaged goods. Just give dem time. Give dem time make dem sef grow mature and allow your children make their own mistakes. No try to dey cover everything up for your pikin, allow dem fall. When dem fall dem go get up because you no go dey there for dem forever. So na dis be the small thing wey I say make I come talk about parenting and make I tell parents say we don dey shift from the important thing, we don dey leave our children too much because we wan make friends with dem. No, we need to be their parents first, e dey very very important. So our one question today be say how you feel say person fit take make good parent? How you feel say you sef fit take be good parent? Na be our one question for today. So make una no forget to leave una mind for our comment section, and make una no forget to dey take care of una selves as always. Until we meet again, make una dey kulele for where una dey. So una bye.